Hello student, welcome to lesson 3rd Arithmetic Progression for Standard 10. In previous video, we have learned sequence, terms in sequence and AP. Today we are going to see nth term of an arithmetic progression, or it's known as AP in short. Suppose one sequence 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. If you take the difference between two consecutive terms, that is 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is also 3, and here 14 minus 11 is also 3. So you can see that difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that is 3. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Common difference is denoted by letter D, and first term is denoted by letter A. So now if you want to find the nth term in this AP, then we can express the nth term as Tn. And what is the formula for that? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is common difference, and n is the term number that you want to find. So let's try out this formula. We want to find the fourth term in this AP. Okay, so we want to find T4, right? And what is that going to be? So using this formula, we will start with A. And what is the value of A? A means first term. In this sequence, first term is 5, right? Therefore A is 5. And D means common difference between two consecutive terms, which is 3. That is D is 3. So let's substitute that in Tn. Therefore Tn equal to n is 4. Therefore T4 equal to A is 5 plus n minus 1. Therefore n is 4 minus 1 into D, which is 3. Therefore T4 equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1 into 3. If you calculate this, what do you get? T4 equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 5 plus 9 is 14. That is T4 is 14. So the fourth term of this AP is 14, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 term is 14. So using the formula, we predicted the fourth term. So this formula Tn gives you the expression for finding the nth term in arithmetic progression. Okay, so remember the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we will solve some examples in practice set 3.2. First example, decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. Minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. In this example, we have to decide the given progression is AP or not. And if the given sequence is AP, then we have to find its 20th term. So first write down A. A is T1, and T1 means first term. First term is minus 12. Therefore A equal to T1 equal to minus 12. Then T2. T2 means second term. Second term is 5. T3 means third term. Here third term is 2. T4 means fourth term. Fourth term is 9. T5 means fifth term, and fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 and so on. To decide given sequence is AP, first we have to find difference between two consecutive terms. So first find T2 minus T1. Substitute values. T2 is minus 5 minus of T1 minus 12 is equal to minus 5 minus get plus 12 equal to minus 5 plus 12 is 7. Okay. Then next difference T3 minus T2. Substitute values. T3 is 2 minus T2 minus 5 equal to 2 minus get plus 5 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Next difference is T4 minus T3. T4 is 9 minus T3. T3 is 2 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Next difference T5 minus T4. T5 is 16. Okay, minus T4 is 9 and 16 minus 9 is 7. Observe carefully. Here common difference is constant. Here 7, 7, 7 and 7. That means the common difference equal to D is 7, which is constant. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. Now we have to find 20th term of this progression. Now we know that the formula for nth term. Formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute values. N means 20th term. Therefore T20 equal to A is minus 12 plus n is 20 minus 1 and common difference D is 7 into 7. Now simplify. Minus 12 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 7 minus 12 plus 19 into 7 is 133 minus 12 plus 133 is equal to 121. Therefore 121 is the 20th term of given sequence. Therefore we can write the given sequence is an AP and the 20th term of the AP is 121. Okay. Now see second example. Second example is how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. See solution. 3 digits natural numbers divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110 and so on. Last 3-digit number is 995. The smallest and the biggest 3-digit natural numbers divisible by are 100 and 995 respectively. Okay. Therefore A means first term, that is 100. Here D means common difference and difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that is 105 minus 100 equal to 5. 110 minus 105 is equal to 5, means here difference is constant, that is 5. And Tn means last term is 995. We know that formula for Tn. Tn is A plus n minus 1 D. We have to find digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Means we have to find value of n. Now substitute this value in this formula. Tn is 995 equal to A is 100 plus n minus 1 and d is 5. Now simplify this. 995 minus 100 equal to n minus 1 into 5. 995 minus 100 is equal to 895 equal to n minus 1 into 5. Therefore 895 divided by 5 is equal to 9 minus 1. Therefore 895 divided by 5 is equal to 179 equal to n minus 1. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 179. Therefore n equal to 179 plus 1 is equal to 180. That means there are 180 three-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Okay. Now see next example is the 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of this AP. In this example, 11th term and 21st term are given and we have to find 41st term. So let's see solution. First write down given terms. T11 is 16. Then 21st term given, that means T21 equal to 29. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then you know that formula for Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. Here given that T11, that means n is 11. Substitute here. T11 equal to A plus n is 11 minus 1 into D. And T11 is given that 16. Therefore 16 equal to A plus 10 D. This is our equation 1. Next T21 means n is 21. Substitute here n equal to 21. Therefore T21 equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. And T21 is given that 29 equal to A plus 20 into D. This is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. That is 29 equal to A plus 20 D minus equation first is 16 equal to A plus 10 D minus 29 minus 16 13 equal to 0. 20 minus 10 is 10D. That means 13 equal to 10D. That is 10D equal to 13. Therefore D equal to 13 divided by 10. Therefore D equal to 1.3. Now substituting D equal to 1.3 in equation 1. 16 equal to A plus 10 into D is 1.3. Therefore 16 equal to A plus 13. Therefore A equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore A equal to 3. Now we have to find T41, that is 41 term. Therefore T41 equal to A plus 41 minus 1 into D. Substituting values, A is 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 and D is 1.3 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3 is 52. 3 plus 52 is 55. Therefore the 41th term of this AP is 55. Okay, in this way you can calculate remaining examples in practice set 3.2. I hope you understand. Thank you.